Howdy folks, we're going to go through a quick video here, show you how to update your drivers on your computer. I hope this helps you out. I've been running a little computer shop for about 10 years now, and updating drivers has always been a tedious task that we seem to spend a lot of time messing with, but it does help get rid of problems, and it's worth the effort. But it's always been quite a headache for most people to try to update their drivers, so they come to me and pay me to do it for them. But nowadays there's a better way, and I'm going to try to show you that way and make it easy for you to do it yourself. Instead of searching for every driver just on and on, I mean, you can literally look for hours for one of these drivers to update maybe a printer or a monitor or a keyboard, or etc. The old days we would have to search Google or some other search engine for the driver on the manufacturer's website and go through all this. Sometimes you would even install the wrong driver and then have to uninstall it, install another driver that you think was for that, but it didn't work or didn't quite work with that scanner or what have you. Nowadays there's a tool and it's called PC Updater. Instead of taking your computer to someone like me and paying to have it fixed, you can download PC Updater online. It will search for your drivers for you and actually update them without you having to know a whole lot about what to do. Like I say, I've been in business for over 10 years helping people with computers. No longer do we fight trying to update drivers. We simply download PC Updater onto each computer, allow it to find the drivers that are associated with that computer, find the latest updates, and actually install it through the interface itself without having to go through any of the code or any of the geek stuff, and makes it very easy to keep all your drivers up to date and make sure your computer is running as fast as possible with as few problems as possible. So here we are scanning now with PC Updater. Just wanted to show you how it actually works. It will scan your computer and check all of your hardware. Once it scans all of your hardware, it might take a few minutes depending on how many things you have installed. I went ahead and let it run for a little bit before I started this video, just so we could go through this pretty quick. Now you'll watch it. It gathers all that data and then searches for the out-of-date drivers. Now it looks like I have 19 out-of-date drivers on this computer and 27 that are up to date. So that's 19 instances of where I have the old version of software installed for a piece of my hardware. So say it's a printer and I have the software that they put out 2 years ago that doesn't fix some little errors that could potentially cause me problems down the road. This is how you fix all that. Now you can just click on download. You do have to register the product. I do have a registered version here, but you notice it's downloading the drivers for me. All in there. Downloaded successfully. I click OK. You give it just a minute because it's actually installing the driver in the background instead of a lot of the other, pretty much every other driver update software I've ever tested will simply tell you if their drivers are out of date and then point you to a place to hopefully download the right one. PC Updater is the only product I've seen that will actually download the new driver for you and then install it all by itself. Now we click close, and now you'll notice it says install it, and it downloaded it. Now we install it. Do you want to install? I'm not going to install this right this second because it will actually degrade the video. But all you do is click install. It will install. It will then tell you to reboot your computer, and then that driver will be updated. So let's just move on here, and we're going to wrap this up. Go to PCUpdater.com if you want to download your trial of PC Updater and check it out. I think you'll really like it. Have a great day, and if you would like to leave some comments below, I'd be happy to help you answer any questions you may have with drivers. I've been doing this for a long time, like I said, and I enjoy helping people. But like I mentioned, PC Updater will actually go through and update your drivers for you without you ever having to really have an expert come in and work on the computer. And it also has a backup and restore feature in case you do run into any problems. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video and have a great day.